This is a tutorial on how to do the double crochet stitch. In order to do the double crochet, you're going to yarn over before you insert your hook into your next stitch in the row, bringing your hook under and around that working yarn. You're then going to insert your hook with that yarn over on it under both V's of your next stitch, like so. You're then going to yarn over one more time, bringing that hook under and around the working yarn and pulling through that stitch. So now, unlike the single crochet, you have 3 loops on your hook instead of just 2. Now, just like the single crochet, you're going to yarn over and pull through, but this time you're only pulling through the first 2 loops on your hook. In order to finish the double crochet, you yarn over one last time and pull through those final 2 loops on your hook. And that is how you make a double crochet stitch.